welcome to my channel. I am back with another video, and guess what? I am going to be showing you how I make my moisturizing aloe vera hair mist, and this is it right here. I'm going to put you through how I make it. Please do not skip the video or fast forward it. You're going to miss a lot of information. I'm going to be talking to you about details about each and every ingredient that I use and how this is beneficial for your hair growth. Do not skip the video, watch it in details. See you.
Okay guys, so we have honey, and we all know that honey is an emollient, which means that it seals moisture in your hair. And then we have aloe vera. Yeah, everybody knows aloe vera is essential to healthy hair growth, and it is known to have this common enzyme called proteolic enzymes, which helps in repairing dead skin cells. And now we have coconut oil. Coconut oil is essential to the scalp because it helps in conditioning and moisturizing the scalp. And then here is our spray bottle. I like the spray bottle because it helps to spray, give me that whole misty feel when I spray on my hair, unlike the other ones that have this very shooting strong spray. Yes. And then this is the bowl I am going to be using to do my little mixture. So I was saying, aloe vera also acts as a great conditioner, and it leaves your hair very smooth and very shiny. It helps to protect growth, and it prevents itching on the scalp. Do you know that it also helps in reducing dandruff, and it also conditions your hair? Very essential, guys. Very essential that you have a lot of aloe vera in your mixture. I actually had to use like 2 aloe vera plants or leaf because I couldn't get the giant ones. So, and then what I'm making is a small portion. Another thing you need to take into consideration is when you're taking out your aloe vera gel, be very careful to take out like all of the leave the back from the gel itself, because it could get stuck in your water bottle or your spray bottle rather, and it will stop your thing from spraying properly. So you have to take out every piece of it. You see how difficult it is for me to like literally take this out. So try and get every inch. It's difficult to get out, but just try and take as much as you can out of your mixture or your gel, so you can have a smooth spray all over your hair. And now I add 1 tablespoon of honey. Like I said, honey is an emollient that helps to keep moisture in your hair. It also strengthens the hair, so it's a very essential ingredient. You don't want to put like too much honey, because the end result is that it could make your hair really stiff and dry. So just put a little bit in it, and then to dissolve right off in the water. Now I'm adding like 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. All this mixture or portioning, it depends on the size of the mist you want to make. Another thing I didn't add was conditioner. So you have to add a leave-in conditioner. I forgot to add this in the video. So just take like 1 tablespoon, like 1 pump of conditioner, mix it together with your gel and everything, and then you add your water. Everything just blends in properly. Do not forget to add your leave-in conditioner. Like it's extremely essential to this mixture. So after that, obviously you put it in your bottle, and yes, here you have it. I added a lot of water to the mixture I had like before, so that you can loosen out everything, so it's not so thick on your hair. Another thing you should take note of is these are all natural ingredients, meaning they are organic. So you have to keep them, like if you're making like a very large portion, keeping it in the fridge is best to preserve it. Although aloe vera gel and honey keeps things like fresh for some couple of days, but make sure you put it in the fridge if you're making like so much and you can't finish it within maybe 4 to 5 days. Yes, so this is our hair mist, and yeah, this is how it looks. Very loose, and this is a small portion. Like I said, for you to have like more, you have to like double the portion or triple the portion that we used here in the video.
Spray this all over my hair like every single night before I sleep. I use it as a conditioning and moisturizing hair lotion or mist-ish thing to keep my hair like literally moisturized and conditioned. Everybody knows like literally the weather is freaking dry everywhere, so using this is going to really help you from shedding a lot of hair during this period. Whether you are relaxed or whether you're natural, this is still very beneficial for everybody's hair. This has nothing to do with whether you're relaxed or not. So if you're natural, this is also good for you, and if you're relaxed, this is also good for you. So I simply just spray it all over my hair like this. Spray it all over my hair like this. My hair is literally like soft, you know. People, if you love this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you can be aware of when I upload new videos. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.